Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup Bambino. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, ripe tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget aromatics like 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and fresh basil. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and salt and pepper. Next, let's prepare our tomatoes to unlock their best flavor. Have your 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes and toss them gently with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This roasting process takes about 25 minutes, caramelizing the tomatoes and bringing out a wonderful sweetness and depth that is crucial for our Bambino soup. Now, let's build the base for our velvety soup. In a large pot, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and sauté your diced onion and 2 cloves of garlic until they are soft and fragrant. Add the roasted tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Then, carefully blend everything until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches to our delicious tomato soup Bambino. Stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream to achieve that signature richness, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve your hot soup immediately, perhaps garnished with fresh basil leaves and a delicate drizzle of olive oil for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.